year 2013, when the whole of this cathedral underwent some serious structural evaluation and construction. Sinilip po muli yung tibay at tatag ng lupa at ng buong katedral para makatayo pa po ang katedral natin sa mas madaming mga panahon at taon. There were retrofittings, they called, foundation checking, and etc. Mga bagay para malaman ang katibayan at tumayong matibay ang ating pong inang simbahan. My dear brothers and sisters, what seems to be common with today's readings will be the symbol of rock. Hindi lang dahil ang bato ay matigas, pero ito ay simbolo ng katibayan. And maybe you'll ask, what will be its use as we are celebrating Advent? What will be its use or help as we prepare for Christmas? I know one thing for sure. Sa Diyos tayo kukuha ng katibayan. Because the Lord is our rock, we will endure. In the first reading, God placed walls and ramparts, strong defenses, so that God will be able to protect His people, para matibay na bantayan ng Diyos ang kanyang bayan. In the same manner, Jesus teaches us to listen and do His words so that we will be strong and so that we can endure life. Kaya anuman ang humampas sa atin, anuman ang humagupit sa atin, anuman ang gustong sumira sa atin, matibay tayong tatayo, mananatili tayong nakatayo dahil sa Diyos. Because God is our rock, we may not only be strong, but we can also endure. Hindi lang matigas, kundi matibay. If we've been battling, if life is swaying us from left to right, if we are doubting, if we are struggling, remember that the Lord is rock. He would not only make you hard, but He will help you endure. Mga kapatid, ang gusto po ng Diyos, matibay at malakas tayo. Matibay at malakas na yayakapin ang mga biyaya ng Pasko. Whatever may come across, we will stand tall, we will stand strong, we will endure, not because we can, but because God is our rock.